Hello and welcome to the new video lesson of our course, and in this video what we are going to do is we are going to customize the product pages. And to do that, what you have to do is you have to first hit customize, and when the section opens you have to just scroll down to the page where you see all your products, and then you have to select a single product and open it. Now you can see it has been opened. I'll scroll down, I'll click on a product, and then you can see the product page here. Now as you can see here, you are seeing this sidebar, but we don't want to keep it, we want to remove it. Now you have to just go to the WooCommerce section here, and then you have to go to the single product section, and you have to select full width. And then you'll see that your page is center aligned, and now it's looking much better. Now you should just go ahead and hit publish, and here you can just see the title, rating, and you can remove any product which you don't want. Like if you don't want the price to be shown here, you can just click on the I button, and then the price would be removed. And as you can see, the price has been removed. Now we want to keep all this information, and then you can also change many things here, like the typography. And to change the typography, what we have to go is we have to go back, and we have to go back again. Now you have to go to typography, and then here you have to select body, and then the body will change the font for all this whatever is written here, it will change the font for this. And now you can see we have already selected Montserrat here, and we have given a weight of 500 here. So if you haven't done that yet, you should go ahead and do that. Now let's hit publish again and come back and customize some other things. Now if you want to make the product title a bit bolder or change its font, you can do that easily. And you just have to come to typography, and then you have to scroll down to WooCommerce product title, and then you have to select your desired font family, and I'll choose a Montserrat for this. And yes, you can see the Montserrat is here, and then you can choose the font style to be normal, and you can choose the text transform to default, which is fine, and you can choose your desired color. Now if you also want to make it a bit bolder, what you can do is you can go to this font weight option. You can make it 700, that is bold, and you can see now it looks very good. And you would be thinking that how would we do these changes to all the products we add, but the good news for you is you have to do it just a single time, and this would be applied to all the products you have added or you will be adding in future to your site. Now let's hit publish. And there's a very easy way of doing that. You just have to go back, and you have to go to WooCommerce product price, which is the last second from the bottom. You have to click on it. You have to select your desired font family if you want to change. And right now you can see the rupee sign and the symbol and the text doesn't look that good. And I know a very good Google font that looks good on rupee or other any dollar symbol, and that is Rubik. This font looks very cool with all these. Now you can just go ahead and click this, and now you can see that this looks much better. And the price is the most important thing, what you can do is you can make it extra bold, or you can give it something like 600 or 700 as a weight, and I'll give it as a 700, and then I've already published it. But if you haven't, you can just hit publish. Now you should just go back, and now what we'll do is we'll change the color of these description color, and you can see this additional information, reviews, these colors, and I'll just show you that how you can change their colors. You can also change the color of this Amazon.in price, and to do that what you have to do is you have to go back to the main menu, and then you have to go to WooCommerce, which is here, and then here you can see advanced styling. You have to click on it, and then here you will see the colors to all the different sections. Now you have to come down to single product, and you can find it below this off canvas sidebar option, and here you can see single product, and from here we can change whatever colors we would like let's say that I want to change this price color to a something like a dark red, or you can say a blue, and you can see that the red font looks better if we just go ahead and style it a bit or give it a highlight. And yes, you can see this looks much better. Now you can just go back and you can change the color to the you can change the color of the description to black, and you can change the quantity border color, but we don't want to do that right now. You can also change the meta link color hover to your desired color, and let's say that we want to change it to blue. I'll select blue here, and then I'll come back and hit publish. Now you can see that whenever you will hover over these add to cart options or whatever of these options, it will change to your metalink hover color. Now let's see that how we can change the color of these description, additional information section and reviews section. You are currently seeing the single product navigation section, and you can see that these are tabs. So you will have to come down to single product tabs section. Now you can come down a bit till you find the single product tabs section. Now you can see here, and then you can change all these blue colors to your desired color. Like mine is red, so I'll just go ahead and change it according to my liking, and then I'll change all these colors, and there you go. Whenever you'll click on it, you'll see that the color has been changed. Now when you publish it, you will see all the changes have been done, and now let's move ahead to some other changes. Now I just have optimized the page according to our needs, and we have done it for the product page, but now we'll do it for the all products page, which is where you have to add a sidebar and where you have to add many different things. Like here you can see we do not want this add to cart option, and I already told you that we'll remove it, and if we remove it from here it will automatically be removed from the home page. Now you should just hit customize, and then you have to go to WooCommerce and then archives. And here you can see the WooCommerce and then the archives section. Now you have to go to the bottom of this page, and here you will see the elements positioning. And we don't want this add to cart section, and if you want to remove it, so you can just click on this I button and it will be removed from the whole site. And then you can go and hit publish. Now here is your sidebar, and let's say that we want to make the sidebar title a bit bolder, and to do that you have to go back and back again, and then you have to go to typography, and then you should go to the page bottom, and here you will find sidebar title, and you can just search for it, and it can be seen here, sidebar widget heading. You can click on it. You can change the font family if you want. I don't want to, and I can make it a semi bold or I can make it bold, and then I can hit publish. Now let's go to a product page and make some changes to the add to cart button, because you can see that the add to cart button is rectangular and I do not like it. I want to change it. So you have to come back to your main option, and then you have to go to this option which says general options. You have to click on it, and then you have to select theme buttons. Here you can add the border radius, you can increase it to something like 28 or 30, and then you will see that this looks much better. Now you can change the color if you want. I'll not change it right now. I'll just go ahead and hit publish. So guys, this was it for this video. We'll finish the whole website in the next video because we have only a minor changes left which we have to do in the sidebar.